Welcome back, traders. Glad to see you again. Next, we'll examine how the performed in past market conditions through backtesting. This backtest is conducted on gbpusd using the M1 timeframe. As you can see, the equity curve is gradually rising, reflecting the ease trade management over this period. The year is now running through historical market data to verify its performance. Each trade is executed based on real market conditions and tested strategy logic. Risk management and entry precision are being analyzed during the backtest. This process helps evaluate stability, accuracy, and overall trading performance. Here's the detailed trade history, showing each position the year executed over the selected period. The first trade opened on the 6th of October 2025, marking the beginning of the ease performance cycle. The last trade closed on the 7th of January 2025, successfully completing the backtest period. In this backtest, the delivered impressive performance with a total net profit of $862. The maximum drawdown stayed controlled at just 25%, showing strong risk management and stable performance. With a solid 65% win rate, the strategy maintained high accuracy across trades. If you want to test this yourself, the free download link is available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.